Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2011 Toyota Sienna Limited all-wheel drive. Now the most notable features on the Limited is its DVD player. You also have your navigation system along with your power moonroof. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you a bit familiar with this 2011 Toyota Sienna Limited all-wheel drive. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this Limited is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps. And then if we take a closer look just at your front grille, you're going to see your block heater. You also have your parking sensors, and then over on the side you have your 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Now you do have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors, and if we take a look on the inside of the mirrors here, you're going to see your integrated signal lamps. Now the other nice thing is you do have the smart key system with this. So with the smart key system you can lock all the doors simultaneously just by pushing on the two little lines you see there on the handle. Push on it once, it'll lock all the doors automatically, and then if you put your hand between the handle, it'll unlock the front door for you as well. Now I'm just going to quickly show you the second row as well, just so you have a much better idea of how much room there is. Now as you can see, you do have the window visors, or sunshades, sorry, just in your second and third row, just so you can block out some of that sun just while you're trying to take a quick nap in the back. You also have the DVD player just located at the very top here, just so you can entertain the kids on a long drive. And then you also have the relaxing part, lazy boy part here, so you can put your feet up just in the back here. And then the other nice thing is you do have the power sliding rear doors as well. To close them, they're just on the outside there. Now the other nice thing is you do have the jam protection on here as well, so parents, if you're worried about your kids actually getting their hand jammed in the door, you don't have to worry about that, because once the door senses there's an obstruction in the way, then it closes itself back, opens itself back up, and then all you have to do from the outside is just pull on the handle once more and it will close automatically for you. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is pre-dawn gray. Now to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats, just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now you have your light gray leather interior seat surfaces with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Taking a look just over on your left hand side, you do have your mirror controls with your power folding mirror button, traction control on off, and your parking sensors on and off. On the inside of your driver's side door, you have your seat memory controls for your driver 1 and 2, window locks, power locks, window controls both your front and rear windows. Now a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, mode select, scroll function, as well as your Bluetooth voice recognition and cruise control. Now I'm just going to close in on the exact kilometers just so you can see what it's currently sitting at. Now if we take a look at the very top here of your center dash, you're going to see a couple of different options. So as you can see, you have your digital clock as well as an exterior temperature gauge, and then you also have your temperature controls located on here as well. And located just down below, you are going to see your touch panel display with your navigation system, and if you head into the setup menu, you'll see your general clock voice as well as a couple of other additional features. Now you do have that premium JBL sound system matted to an automatic transmission. With your push button starts, all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Temperature control settings just located in the center here, along with your rear temperature controls. And then down below you'll see your heated seat controls for your driver and passenger and your power outlet, and if you look right underneath there, you're going to see your USB and auxiliary and your power outlet as well. Auto dimming rear view mirror with integrated garage door opener and digital compass, and a couple of the controls you'll see up the top here include your power sliding rear doors, power liftgate and open and close for your power moonroof, as well as the tilt up and down feature. Sunglass case holder, and then you also have an additional mirror on the inside just so you can keep an eye on the kids just while you're driving. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on your rear bumper, you're going to see your parking sensors just located right across. On the back of the tailgate, you'll find your backup camera just on your left-hand side and your rear hatch release located underneath your Sienna emblem. Now I'm just going to close in on the rear cargo space just so you have a much better idea of how much room there is. Now over on your left-hand side, you do have some storage space just in case you do need the additional space. But you also have your 60-40 split for your third row. So in the event that you do want to have these seats folded down, just push on this piece here to fold down the headrest. And then if you just take pull on this piece here on the back of the seat, you'll be able to fold it down. And then just pull the flap up just so it remains nice and flat. And then as you can see, if you do need some additional passengers as well as some additional cargo space, it's available to you. However, if you do need all the passengers in the back, all you have to do to actually fold it up is make sure you pull on this flap first. If you do forget how it actually folds up, folds down, the instructions are just located on the back of the seat here. Then pull on the middle piece once more, lock itself into place, and then pull on the back here until you hit the desired position. The nice thing is you can tilt it back a little bit farther, making things much easier for you if you want to be a little bit more comfortable in the third row. And the other great thing is that you do have the power lift gate, so once you're all done, have your hands full of groceries or sports bags, you just have to press on the button once, making things much easier for you when you need to close up the tailgate. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions on this 2011 Toyota Sienna Limited all-wheel drive, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.